Hey, man, with over 29 years of experience, 50,000 golf carts fixed. If you're new to this channel, the motto is one part only. That's all we change. In the description, I'll post a link where you can get factory OEM parts at a good deal. And if you needed batteries, lithium batteries, wet cell batteries, click on the link there. You get $25 off. Use my code. DC. That's V with a straight line. Black lead on the main negative on your battery. Red lead on the main positive. This is your read switch or your charger lockout. If you have voltage here, then proceed to the next step. You can see there we have 53 volts. So we have battery. I'm gonna hit the gas under load to make sure it don't drop. And don't even click the solenoid. So the first thing I'm gonna check is unplug your harness. On the second row back here, you got this orange and red wire. Right here. We're going to test this for battery voltage. This is your read switch or your charger lockout. If you have voltage here, then proceed to the next step. If you don't have voltage, check your read switch or your charger lockout, which is this wire right here. Orange and red wire on the back of the charger plug. It plugs in. This here is bypassed. If you don't know what it is, go to my page. It'll show it to you. All right, second test you want to do is your toe switch. Look at your toe switch here. You got 4 wires here on this side, 2 on this side. So we're only going to test the red and the white. We want to make sure we have voltage. Now, all these tests, the black lead will stay on the main negative the whole time. What color did I tell you? Red and orange. Nope, red and white is what I thought. So red and white, which is this side here, should have battery voltage on both sides. Battery voltage there, battery voltage there. When I turn my toe switch off, you'll see my white wire dies. My red wire is hot still. When I flip the toe switch, voltage carries over. Now, if yours don't carry over like that, replace your toe switch. You can cut this wire, tie them together, and see what it does. If you don't have voltage there, do what I said there. If you do have voltage, keep on going. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to test pin number 6. Where's it at? The green wire. Now, let me say this. On the back side here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 8. So I'm going to stick it inside my green wire there. Plug it back in the toe position. Flip it off to toe, plug it back in, then flip it back to run. If you don't do that, you'll burn, you'll melt your harness. I'm gonna go to my green wire, stick it into it, hit the gas. You can see when I hit the gas, I have battery voltage. If you don't have battery voltage when you hit the gas, that means that the micro switch in the floorboard's bad. You have to take it up the floor mat and replace the micro switch. All right. But now we're going to pin 1, which is right here. It's a white wire. You can see there with the key on, I have 15 volts. This is checking your ITS. When you hit the gas, what it does is 15 volts go down to your ITS, which is your inductive throttle sensor. If you don't have voltage here and you have voltage on the power steps, replace the controller. Because as long as you have voltage here on pin 9, which is right here, as long as you have voltage there, then you should have voltage. You got voltage to the logic side of the controller. If the toe switch works, this has power, and the charger lockout wire is good, then the controller's powered up. It should put voltage out. If it don't, replace controller. Now I'm gonna go to my black wire. This is my ITS. When you go to the black wire and hit the gas, the wrong wire there. Get it off auto. All right, put it like that. I'll show you an easy way to test this. Your wires for your micro switch and ITS are right here. All right, now the white wire's got 15 volts, so we know voltage is going to it. So on your black wire, your return, you should have voltage to it too. And put it in there. And when I hit the gas, voltage should go up from 0.9 to 2.9, which it ain't. So it tells me I'm getting no voltage. Make sure I'm getting reading. It tells me I'm getting no voltage from my ITS. So what that means is the ITS is bad. But at the same time, say you test voltage on the ITS, on the black wire, and you get 1.5, the car won't run because it shuts down for high pedal. So make sure it's within specs on the black wire. All right, man, if you, like I said, if you need any factory parts, click on the link below. If you need any batteries, lithium, use my code. You'll get money off. I get a certain percentage, man, to let y'all know up front. Use my code Golf Cart Whisperer, the GCW's capitalized, you get $25 off. I get a small percentage just for y'all purchasing it, but that's good. I'm going to take it and put it back into the business here, make it better quality cameras, better quality sound, everything, man. But the main thing is, man, I don't ever ask nobody this, but if I've ever fixed your golf cart, if I ever answered a question for you, hit that subscribe button, man. YouTube said only 12% of my viewers subscribe to this channel. Let's push this bad boy up to 250,000 subscribers. All I ask, man, is help your community out. Hey, hey, hey. And I think the reason why, man, because y'all come on here, you watch a video, it fixes your golf cart, you're done. But what you want to do, man, is save me for next time when you want to come back and you got another problem. You don't have to find me or you don't remember the name. That's why you hit that subscribe button and you just keep it in your folders. When you need me, you need me. Hey, hey, hey.